feeling the effects of masculinity right now. I feel the testosterone. I want to go to war! I want a lightsaber! I'm a man! War! Get this seatbelt off of me!
Fuck your life! Bing bang!
What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey, yo!
I said, damn, bitch.
Bro, let's get straight to it. On my mama, we lit.
Wrestling City.
It's called the Midwest because every single thing in it is mid. Skyline Chili. Mid. Your Cincinnati Reds, who haven't won a World Series since 1990. Mid.
The Reds suck.
Quit being so nice and show them how fucking crazy you are.
Sorry, I thought I saw a wasp.
Do you love me too?
Excuse me?
First things first. Now, I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I add her to the tally. Oh, shit. Okay, here we go.
I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucian.
And I promise you.
Do you think people in like France are doing beachy waves? Like, it's not the vibe. Stop! My God, like, I can't stand the beachy waves.
It is so bad, I want to give you a 0, but that's not possible. So I give you a 1.
Okay, gon' take. Okay, let's go.
No! 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 No!
That's the difference between me and you. Because while you were sitting around, waiting, doing niche, I was out making moves.
Everybody makes mistakes.